Welcome to today's video. Today's video is we've got sick bamboo. We get all this bamboo that's getting brown leaves. So we came out here to check the sprinkler system. This hose had a cut in it, and it actually is underneath the bamboo, so we broke it apart to hook it up. And you can see where it goes under the bamboo again. But we found the pipe is full of roots. So this whole thing's a bubbler system, so it just kind of weeps water. And then it goes underground here. Oh, it's coming out. I have no idea where this thing goes. As long as it doesn't bust. Now, well, so much for that. We're starting over. We got new stuff. I purchased 100 feet of porous hose. They come in 25 foot, 50 foot, 100 foot. I grabbed the 100 feet and they come with garden hose ends on them, so you can daisy chain them. This has an end cap on it, so you can cap it off and add to it later if you want. And it came with a nice bag of fittings. Elbows, T's, unions. I'm going to cut this loose and I'm going to fill it with water first to uncurl it. Then I'm going to drag it out there and put it around that bamboo. We got that baby strung out throughout the yard. We got it hooked up to the water. Turn this on, straighten out that hose. And the way this works, it just oozes water. The supply end has a flow restrictor. I need more flow. So I'm going to take this out, hook it up to the garden hose, and I should get a lot more water through this thing. All right, we got a nice open hole now. Let's see what we got. We got more flow.
Kiss my grit!
We even got little tiny streams coming out. And that's okay. Let's install it. So on this end, if you do decide to take the flow restrictor out, you got to put yourself a regular garden hose seal in there, or it's going to leak like hell. I'm cutting this off and I'm hooking right up to the irrigation system. Right now I've got tie wraps, but I may need a hose clamp because I'm not quite sure. It looks a little smaller than a 1/2 inch, even though this is a 1/2 inch irrigation system. It's all together. It really does need a hose clamp. But I got 3 tie wraps on there, good enough to let it work till I can get to the Home Depot. Turn the water on. We got water. Oh, that's doing a nice job. I did fall about 5 feet short. There's the other end, no big deal. All right, success. I've got another successful repair. I'm 2 for 2 this week. You need to roll that stuff out because it wants to kink really bad. And once it looks like it kinks, it looks like it distorts the hose to where possibly it could be a leak point. If you're going to use the garden hose end and you need more flow, and you take out the blue restrictor, you can probably either punch that hole out or probably just put a regular garden hose gasket inside this and you'll be fine. The root cause to everything, the root cause, you get it? I just made a joke, didn't even know it. That bamboo, it penetrated. This was buried under the bamboo. There's probably still a lot under. I couldn't pull it out. It just kept breaking. But this was so gradual that it went unnoticed. That's why the bamboo probably started getting brown, because it's got a lack of water. So this stuff is, because once it kinks, yeah, see, it doesn't take much. So if you're going to use this stuff, straighten it out first. Well, cheers with an icy cold Stella Artois. Ooh, that's tasty. Today was supposed to be garage door opener fixer day, but nah, it turned into fix the bamboo. Well, have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care. See ya.